Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So the equation for this line here is given by this. So this is like your area of cross section here, and then we're going to rotate this 360 degrees along the x-axis. So we're going to rotate this 360 along the x-axis. So when if you look at this point, if you rotate it 360, you're going to make one revolution here. And then here, if you look at this point, make 360, it will give you something like this. If you look at this point here, 360, it will give you this. 360. If you look at this point here, 360, it will give you this. It will give you this. It will give you this, and so on. And then on this side here, 360, it will give you this. 360, it will give you this, and so on. And then you end up with hang on. So you end up with a shape looking something like this. So don't forget, all these are circles. So work out the volume of this thing here. Okay, so if you rotate this 360, you will get a solid looking something like this. Okay, and it's so circular here. Okay, and then it's so circular here. So you get a solid looking like this. Work out the volume of this solid. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, we're going to integrate from. So if you look at this, so you're going to sum up all these circles along here. So let's look at this particular one here. So if you look at this, so you will need to know the length here, the radius here. Well, the radius here will be this, but it will be a negative. But when you come to find the area of the circle, it will be, well, the area of the circle will be pi r squared. Well, the radius is negative. Is already the radius is negative, but when you square it, it will give you a positive area of the circle. Okay, well, to work out the volume of this, you basically have to integrate from 0 to 4. Okay, from 0. Sorry, you have to integrate from -4 to 4. Okay, so you have to integrate from -4 to 4. But rather than because this is symmetrical, this area, this volume here will be the same as this volume over here. Rather than integrating from -4 to 4, let's just integrate from 0 to 4. It will be easier, and then later on we can just times by 2. So hang on, this is what we want to know. The total volume equals this. But rather than integrating from -4 to 4, just integrate from 0 to 4, because 0 is really easy to evaluate later on. Okay, so that will then take us to this, and then now it's just a matter of integrating it. So this thing squared here, let's tidy this bit up. So at the moment you've got one block times another block, but then you've got to square the whole thing. So when you square this thing here, you have something like this. So at the moment you've got this thing here, that's your radius. When you square it, so basically what we're doing here is we're just zooming into this bit here. We are just trying to square this. So when you square it, it will be this times this. That will give you this, and then this times this. That will then give you this. Okay, and then blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and then the area should equal, sorry, the volume should equal this. Oh, and then so don't forget this is V over 2, and then we've got to times it by 2. Okay, so V equals this times 2. Okay, so it will be 1000. Whatever, this times 2. Okay,